Welcome. It is a pleasure to have you here today for our session on the Modern AI BI Developers Toolkit. This presentation is designed as a foundational reference guide for novice developers who are looking to build robust, real-world Python pipelines. Throughout this talk, we will explore three essential tools that are transforming the industry: UV for efficient package management, DuckDB for high-performance analytical processing, and Git for reliable version control. Let's get started on building a solid foundation for your development career. Python is undeniably the language of data, but as any developer knows, managing its environment is a separate and often exhausting job. We set out to build innovative AI models and derive insights from complex data, yet we frequently end up trapped in a cycle of fighting fragmented package managers, resolving broken dependency trees, and debugging virtual environment errors. This complexity, represented by the tangled web of tools like pip, poetry, and pyenv, consumes valuable time that should be spent on core development. The message here is clear. It is time to stop fighting the environment and start building the pipeline. We must shift our focus away from infrastructure hurdles and back toward the high-value work of data engineering and model deployment. The Python ecosystem has long been fragmented across various specialized tools, each managing a different aspect of development. UV is a unified Python package manager designed to consolidate this landscape. As the diagram illustrates, UV is built on a powerful REST engine, providing exceptional speed and performance. It serves as a single, elegant command line tool that encompasses the functionality of several widely used utilities, including pip, pip-tools, pix, poetry, pyenv, and virtualenv. By bringing these disparate capabilities into UV Core, developers can streamline project management and significantly simplify their overall workflow. When comparing the UV architecture to the traditional Python stack, the leap in efficiency is significant. In a conventional workflow, developers must manually manage a sequence of tasks: installing Python, creating and activating virtual environments, and setting up pip. These initial steps represent 80% of the setup effort before package installation even begins. The UV architecture collapses this entire process into a single command: UV add package. This makes the workflow 10 to 100 times faster than traditional tooling. This performance is built on two core pillars. The first is instant resolution. Written in Rust, UV resolves complex dependency trees in mere milliseconds. The second is zero configuration. UV handles Python versioning and isolated environment creation automatically behind the scenes. By automating these manual tasks, UV provides a streamlined and frictionless development experience. This overview illustrates the significant paradigm shift in Python tooling, comparing traditional manual workflows with the streamlined approach of the UV era. In project creation, the traditional method involves a cumbersome chain of commands to set up directories and virtual environments. In contrast, UV simplifies this into a single declarative action: UV init. When it comes to package management, we are moving away from the multi-step process of installing and manually freezing requirements. The UV approach handles dependency additions and project state updates atomically with a single command. Lastly, for code execution, UV eliminates the common point of failure, where scripts fail due to unactivated environments. By using UV Run, you gain guaranteed automatic isolation, ensuring your code runs in the correct context without any manual overhead. This shift fundamentally reduces developer friction and enhances project reproducibility. The UV ecosystem anchors a new generation of high-performance tools specifically designed for speed and strictness. At the heart of this suite is Rough, an unbelievably fast Python linter and code formatter. By replacing legacy tools like Flake 8, Black, and iSort, Rough provides a streamlined approach to maintaining clean, high-quality code. Complementing it is Ty, a minimal type checker companion that ensures your data structures and variables behave exactly as expected before runtime. Together, these tools provide a robust and efficient foundation for modern development. To master these tools, we will build a complete business intelligence pipeline from scratch. Our goal is to ingest local sales data, process it, and output analytical insights. This project-based approach allows us to see how these technologies work together in a production-like environment. We will utilize a modern development stack throughout the process. tracking our progress with Git, managing our project builds with UV, performing high-performance analytical queries with DuckDB, and ensuring code quality by validating our work with rough and type-checking tools. Establishing a solid foundation is the critical first step in any professional development cycle. This phase prioritizes two key elements: implementing version control and defining an explicit project structure. By executing these terminal commands, starting with initializing a Git repository and followed by the uv init command, we instantly scaffold the project directory. This process automatically generates a standard pyproject.toml configuration file, ensuring that our development environment is organized, reproducible, and ready for collaboration from the very beginning. In step 2, we integrate the analytical engine into our workflow. For modern BI developers, DuckDB is the ideal local analytical database solution. It eliminates the need for complex server setups and allows you to query flat files, such as the sales_data CSV shown here, at lightning speed using standard SQL. By executing the command uv add DuckDB, the UV package manager streamlines the entire setup process. It automatically downloads DuckDB, creates an isolated environment for your project, and rigidly locks dependency versions, ensuring a stable and reproducible analytical environment for generating your final output. In step 3, we write the BI analysis logic. For modern BI developers, DuckDB is the ultimate local analytical database. It requires no server setup and queries flat files like CSV or Parquet at lightning speed using standard SQL. As shown in the code, calling duckdb.connect creates an entirely in-memory database automatically. The core functionality is demonstrated in the execute method, which directly queries a local file, in this case salesdata.csv, using familiar SQL syntax. This query calculates the total revenue by region and sorts the results in descending order. By appending .df to the command, the results are returned as a standard data frame, allowing for a seamless transition from SQL-based querying to Python-based data processing. Step 4 focuses on seamless, deterministic execution. In legacy workflows, running code often required constant vigilance regarding which virtual environment was currently active. The tool UV removes this guesswork entirely. When you execute a command like uv run main.py, it guarantees that your code runs inside the exact isolated environment required for your project. This ensures that your specific dependency versions, such as the version of DuckDB used in this example, are consistently applied, leading to predictable and reproducible results every time. Step 5 is about enforcing professional polish. Before committing your work to version control, you must ensure that your logic is flawless and your code is styled correctly. As illustrated, the process begins by taking messy, unorganized code and passing it through a formatting stage to create a clean, standardized structure. Following this, we move to type checking to verify that all type hints are accurate and consistent. To implement this workflow, we leverage several key commands. Running uvxroughcheck allows you to lint your project for structural errors. The command uvxroughformat then automatically aligns your code with standard style guidelines. Finally, uvrun main.py performs static analysis to validate your type hints and catch potential bugs before runtime. The advantage of using UVX is that it allows you to instantly execute tools like Rough from a global registry. This keeps your environment clean and efficient, as you can run these utilities without cluttering your specific project dependencies. The modern zero-friction workflow unifies development, analysis, and quality control into a single, seamless process. This pipeline is designed to transform what used to be hours of fragile manual configuration into a repeatable cycle that takes only seconds to complete. The process begins with the track stage, utilizing Git to maintain comprehensive version control. We then move to the build phase, where UV manages dependencies and environments to ensure consistent project setups. For the analyze stage, we leverage the combined power of Python and DuckDB for efficient, high-performance data processing. Finally, the workflow concludes with the validate stage, employing rough and type to guarantee superior code quality and structural integrity. This integrated approach eliminates traditional bottlenecks, allowing for a faster and more reliable development lifecycle. Committing flawless, reproducible work is a cornerstone of effective development. Because it rigidly manages your pyproject.toml and generates a precise uv.log file, your entire project state is perfectly captured within Git. As shown in the example, by including these log files in your commit, you provide a complete blueprint of your environment. This means that anyone cloning your repository can simply execute uv-run main.py. UV will automatically rebuild the exact environment needed and run the code, ensuring consistent results for every collaborator across any system. Modern development requires a streamlined approach to tooling and process. Our blueprint focuses on 3 strategic pillars designed to maximize efficiency and reliability. First, we prioritize consolidating our tooling. By replacing fragmented utilities like pip, venv, and pyenv with UV, we achieve instantaneous and automatic environment management. This shift minimizes configuration friction and ensures that development environments are consistent across the entire team. Second, we emphasize the ability to analyze locally. By leveraging DuckDB in conjunction with Python, we can perform lightning-fast, serverless business intelligence analytics directly on flat files. This approach allows for rapid data exploration and insight generation without the overhead of complex external database infrastructure. Finally, we enforce quality through mandatory standard practices. Integrating tools such as Rough, Type, and Git into our core workflow ensures that every line of code produced is professional grade. This proactive approach to quality control minimizes technical debt and ensures that our software remains robust and maintainable.